Hello, everyone. In this series of videos, we're going to have AI teaching you AI. This is a 10-day crash course for AI, where you're going to learn the basic concepts of AI and machine learning with a focus on LLM. Below is an overview of the syllabus each day. Have fun learning AI from AI. Day 1 is an introduction to AI and machine learning, and there are 4 sections. Section 1, what is artificial intelligence? There are a couple of definitions of AI, and then we're going to present the historical milestones of AI, and finally, the notable applications today. Section 2, Foundations of Machine Learning, ML. ML is a subset of AI, algorithms learning patterns from data. There are a few core categories, and we're going to discuss the ML workflow. Section 3, Neural networks are really the core of deep learning. We're going to discuss the basics of neural networks, training process, and example applications. Section 4, we're going to talk about deep learning in more details and example frameworks. Day 2 is all about deep learning and NLP. We're going to learn more about deep learning architectures, such as CNN, RNN, and transformers, and the basic concepts of natural language processing, NLP, such as word embeddings and key innovations leading to large language models, LLMs. The focus of Day 3 is transformers. We're going to discuss the architecture, key components, and applications of transformers. A critical related concept is language modeling and pre-training, which will also be presented in this video. In Day 4, we're getting into the more interesting technical details of LLMs, namely training and fine-tuning of LLMs. We're going to talk about each step of LLM training, including data preparation and cleaning, pre-processing, pre-training, and so on. This is followed by LLM fine-tuning, approaches, and best practices. Finally, we will briefly discuss transfer and in-context learning, including those well-known concepts like BERT, few-shot, and zero-shot learning. LLMs are very expensive models, so understanding performance and how optimization works is critical in building a successful LLM. In Day 5, we're going to learn the evaluation metrics of LLMs, common performance challenges and solutions, scaling and optimization techniques, as well as how to debug and improve output of LLMs. In the past 5 days, we have laid out the foundation of AI and LLMs, and now that, in Day 6, we're going to present some advanced techniques and models in details. Quite a few exciting and challenging concepts and techniques, such as multimodal LLMs, reinforcement learning, few-shot learning, and foundation models, will be discussed. Can you imagine that our whole world is taken over by AI in the future, just like in some fiction novels or movies? This is probably the worst case that would happen with AI, but AI can indeed be harmful to our society and human beings. In Day 7, we're going to learn some potential issues with AI, such as privacy, safety, security, and ethics, and the keywords here are responsible AI. Generative AI and LLMs have many easy applications in many domain areas, and therefore might potentially steal jobs from workers in those domains. In Day 8, we're going to talk about a few interesting applications in healthcare, biomedical, legal, financial, education, and multilingual use cases, all of which could sparkle some exciting startup ideas. Who knows? Maybe some billion-dollar companies will come out of them. This whole Day 9 will be dedicated to advanced LLM tuning techniques. We're going to discuss hyperparameter tuning, teacher-student models, knowledge distillation, model quantization and pruning, parallel and distributed training. All of them aim to improve the training and inference speed and accuracy, model learning rate and capacity footprint, computational effectiveness, and efficiency. All right, in this final Day 10, we're trying to predict the future of AI. Have you heard about the scaling law? Does it still hold? Are there going to be brand new model architectures? Is AI going out of control in governance? And what's the future of LLM and AI agent? We're going to try to answer these questions in this final video of the series. Thanks for watching. For more technical courses and interview materials, please go to our website at bowsy8.com.